Hi, my name is Gachara and I'm an image and brand consultant at IWO Consultancy, and today we are going to talk about mask etiquette. What are the do's and don'ts of wearing masks? It's really extremely simple, but I feel it's important for this video to go out so that all those unanswered questions can be answered. Now, there are two things that you need to keep in mind when wearing masks, just two. The first one is make sure that it completely covers your nose and mouth, and chin preferably. So when you put on your mask, I hope you can still hear me. When you put on your mask, it should come over your nose and all the way down to your mouth, okay? Surgical masks have a bridge here, have a piece of metal they can be able to use to tighten over your nose bridge. If you're wearing any of the other cooler masks, the fashiony masks, still, they've been created to go over your nose and round to your ears very easily. If you feel like you need to breathe or you need to take off your mask for whatever reason, do not put it down on your chin like this. Instead, take it all the way off, okay? That's very important. I said there were two things, but I'm going to add one more. When you're talking to someone, please don't take off your mask or pull your mask down, because the whole point of a mask is to prevent splashing, for lack of a better word, on somebody else, especially when you're talking to them. So if you have your mask on when you're minding your own business, doing other things, and then you take it off to talk to somebody else, it sort of beats the purpose of wearing a mask. Now, remember, when it comes to protecting ourselves from COVID, masking is one of the key things because it reduces the rate of transmission. It doesn't necessarily stop it altogether, but it greatly reduces the rate of transmission. Simple, right? Mask Etiquette 101. If you want to get more information on professional image, business etiquette, or even social etiquette, log on to courses.iwo.co.ke.